All right, my friends and PopMax, I know I have done similar video before this one, but again, I want to make sure that everybody joining PopMax is aware of what they should be expecting when it comes to payouts. Okay, so I am going to share very quickly this screenshot that I took from one of our team leaders' posts. This is PopMax passive staking calculations for 1% a day, and then from 1 day to 7 days, and then from 7 days to 30 days. So you can see from this table exactly how much you should be expecting if this is your initial staking that you are doing in PopMax. Okay, this is without team building or compounding. Okay, and it includes all estimates. So for somebody that started PopMax with only $500, the person will be earning $5 every day because it's 1% every day. So 1% of 500 is $5 every day. Now, if you do that for 7 days, that will give you for 1 week $35. And of course, that continues for the next 30 days. You are going to eventually be earning every month $150 for only your 500 that you have used to stake. Now, if you double that amount to 1,000, it means you are going to be earning twice what you are earning before. Okay. Now, remember that all this column that is called the amount and the figures, all that money will be given back to you when you complete your 360 days cycle, because this 1% per day is in association with the 360 days smart contract option. Okay, they have 10 days, they have 30 days, they have 40 days, they have 80 days options, okay, for you to choose from. But if you choose the highest, which is the 360 days, you are going to be receiving 1% on a daily basis. Okay, and the video I have done to get you started in PopMax below this video description actually explains that to you. Okay, so please make sure that you are constantly watching this video. If you don't have time to constantly watch this video to give you an idea of how much you're going to be receiving, just take a screenshot of this right now as you are looking or watching this video, so that you will have a copy of this and you will be able to know and even plan ahead what are your daily ROIs that you are expecting to get in this platform. Are you wanting to get $100 every day? If you want to get $100 every day, then you should be aiming for 10,000 investment. Now, as I said, and as it is written below this screenshot, they said this is without compounding and without building a team. So this is basically your money that you have put in that is working for you is returning this percentage, this daily ROIs that you are looking at on the screen. Okay, so they have 500, 1,000, 2,500, 5,000. So let's say you want to cap your staking for $5,000. That means in weekly basis, you are going to be earning $350 every week. And then if you don't want to withdraw every week, if you want to leave it for every month for you to withdraw, it means you are going to be receiving $1,500 every month for your $5,000 that you have used to stake, right? So if you go down the daily ROI, you will notice that somebody that invested a larger amount of money, the person will receive more ROI. So for those of you that are starting with $100, which is the minimum, that is still okay, but you are not going to receive as much as somebody that's got $500 or even $5,000. Okay, so the more money you put in, the more eventually you are going to get on your daily basis, and eventually is going to run into weekly basis and boom, monthly basis, you earn a lot of money. Okay, so if you put in 10K in this platform today, every month you are going to be earning $3,000 every month for the next 360 days. So that's a lot of money, for you to play around with. So this is the reason why I am recording this video, so that you guys will know what you should be expecting. So this is just an estimate, okay? If you are building your team, you will earn more. But if you're not building a team, as per this table, okay, this table says no team building, no compounding. This is flat rate daily ROI from flat rate deposit amount for staking. That is it. Okay, so guys, if you would like to join this platform, people are joining every day. And today that I'm recording this video, I have about 5 people that joined. Those 5 people, some of them started with 100, some 500, some 1,000, some 2,000. Okay, so people are depositing the amount of money they are willing and able to risk, and get that money to work for them and return all these daily or weekly or monthly ROIs. So thank you very much. The link to sign up is below this video description. If you wish to join my team in PopMax, you are more than welcome to use the link below this video description. I have done a video separately showing you how to get started in PopMax, okay? How to register, how to do everything. The video link is below this video description. If you go to the description of this video, you will see the video how to register. If you watch that video, you will be able to register correctly. If you don't want to watch the video, just follow the steps that I have written. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Follow all of those steps and you will be able to register easily on PopMax. However, if you try to watch the video and you are not able to register correctly, or you are struggling, or you want to follow the steps and you are struggling to follow the steps, the best thing to do is to contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger, so that I will jump on the call with you and then I will talk you through how to get registered. Okay, so that is the help I am offering to everybody joining my team, and much more of that as well. After you have joined, you will benefit more from me for coaching, teaching, and everything, experience, and passing on the knowledge and skills as well to you guys. So thank you very much, guys. We are rocking PopMax. It's paying instantly and everything is working the way we expect it to work. So for those of you looking to make passive income with PopMax, the link to join is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my team. God bless. Thank you.